It's been a while since I reviewed a gadget other than smartphones, and for a change, we are going to take a look at this all new portable wireless speaker from Sony called SRS XB01. Sony says this is for those who wish to enjoy extra bass for deep and punchy sound. I would try to bring lot more stuffs like this, so do subscribe to the channel for future updates. This is the package. Inside the package we get couple of quick start guides if in case you need a guidance to run this gadget. Though this speaker can be charged via regular USB charging cable, still comes with a USB charging cable inside the box, and good to see that. Then comes a carrying strap to hang it to a backpack, and at last we do get to see the wireless speaker. As said before, this is called Sony SRS XB01, which is officially a entry-level portable Bluetooth speaker in XP series, specialized in offering extra bass, and this carries a price tag of Rs 2200, available exclusively on Flipkart. Let's start with the build and design. First thing you would notice is how compact is this speaker. Just look at this, how it fits easily in your palm. It measures just 1/3 of a smartphone and weighs 160 grams, which is again less than a 6-inch smartphones out there. The body gets plastic build mostly, except the controllers on top and a slot on side are made of silicone rubbers. You would get a metal grill on front mostly where you would hear the sound coming out, and on back as well there is active loudspeaker that generates little amount of sound. You can go for your favorite color as the speaker comes with several vibrant colors, and each color has two-tone design to make your style statement when you carry. On top we get 4 physical controllers made of rubber, which are at ideal position as you need not to lift to control. Beside that, opening the rubber cap gives room to insert and enjoy music via 3.5mm audio jack if in case you want to. There is a normal USB charging slot next to that. In between there is a hole to reset. You can use a SIM ejector pin to reset in case if you want to. It holds IPX5 water resistant rating, which means you can continue enjoying music even if you go through accidental water spill on this speaker. But be aware, this is not fully water resistant, and don't try to immerse in water. Despite extra bass marketing on this speaker, the bass is average and definitely better than its competitors in this price segment. You can use this speaker as loudspeaker during a phone call, and even works with voice assistant like Google and Siri. Sony promises up to 6 hours of battery life on one charge. Based on personal usage experience, Sony was right about the battery life. I used to get around 5 to 6 hours of battery life. It would have been great if the battery lasts long, up to 10 hours. This is probably a best speaker to enjoy extra bass experience considering the price. And second thing is the brand. There are still brand conscious people who would go with Sony due to the fact of their history of manufacturing quality products. If you think I deserve a credit for making this video, then hit the subscribe button to become part of this channel. This is Satish. Have a nice day and stay awesome.